How to fix Microsoft Teams installation error. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will see how we can fix if you're having error while installing Microsoft Teams in your device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you have to go to your search icon and search for run command. Once you have this run command prompt in your interface, here in this text box, first of all, you have to search for %LocalAppData. Now, once you have searched for it, you will see a local folder here. Now, from here, you have to look for Microsoft. So, scroll down and click on Microsoft. So once you have opened the Microsoft folder, again scroll down and look for a folder that is Teams. So if you can find the folder Teams under the Microsoft, you have to delete that folder. So your Teams folder will be somewhere here. So if that's there, you have to right click on it and delete the Teams folder. Once you have done that, now you can close this folder. Again, click on the search bar and open run command prompt. So under this run command prompt, now you have to search for %AppData. Then click on OK. Again, you will have this roaming folder opened in your device. So now from here, you have to look for Microsoft Teams folder. Scroll down and look for Microsoft Teams folder. So if that is somewhere here, you have to delete the folder. So look for Microsoft Teams, right click on it and then delete the Microsoft Teams folder if that exists in your device. Once you have deleted the folder, now you can close this. Now you have to restart your device, and once you restart your device, again try to relog in or reinstall the Microsoft Teams and your problem will be solved. So that's how you can fix the installation error in Microsoft Teams, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.